Hello, my name is Lyzza and today I'm going to explain you about TPR. Physical response is very important when teaching second language and especially when you are working with children. What is TPR? It is a combination of movement and language to enhance language acquisition. It is coming from both the teacher and the student. It is not just one side. When the teacher hears the teacher and the student, it's not just the teacher just say something and the kids watching. No, it's both double side. The student is connected action to the language and therefore retaining, and is much better than if they were to do it without the movement. With the TPR, we focus on visual and kinesthetic, and then the last one is audio. So you're connected to it actually to the language. Why? Well, it's because it's a lot of fun, students enjoy it, and it can be a real stir in the class. It lifts the peace and the mood. It is very memorable. It really helps the student to remember phrases or words. How? How we can do it in our class? Okay, how? In the classroom, the teacher plays the role of parents and she or he starts by saying a word or phrase and demonstrating an action. The teacher then say the command and the student all do the action. So for example, we can do like this way. If I say the student stand up, the student going to do the same, stand up. If I say okay, scream, ah, the student going to do ah, because I said everyone has to scream, ah, yes. Or for example, put your hand on the table. So they're going to put the hand on the table because I do the action and they're going to see the action and they're going to repeat the same. And there is the same that like a natural approach that we learn in our first language. For example, me, I learned Spanish and I learned it like when my mom repeated to me the words and tell me this is a pen, this is a board, this is a table, this is a TV, this is a chair. It's the same, and they're going to demonstrate how is the word and how to connect with the language. Yes? Okay, so now I'm going to show you a class that I'm going to do with the students in a school that I'm going to have a practice, and it's a really good experience with TPR. Okay, so the class. Here I'm going to explain the preposition to the students, but first one I'm going to do a game with them. So I'm going to ask them about what is these things that they already know. For example, what is this? It is a notebook, right? What is this? It's a book. What is this? It's a pen, right? What is this one? It's a clock, right? And what is the that thing that I'm going to like point the door? So it is a door. What is this? It's a window. Okay, and the activity is going to be that I'm going to say to the guys, to the children that stand up, and okay, so I'm going to show you what is this, and the kids is going to tell me what is this. And for example, one kid say this is a book. So the kids is going to, the kid is going to be sit down, and the other kids is going to try to guess what is the object that I'm pointing, and then they're going to have game is finished when they are already sit down. Next, I'm going to explain here the preposition. So, here the preposition. Here is on, that this is a box and this is a spider. So, here is the spider, this is the box, and it is on. Here the box, the spider, under. Here it is the box, the spider is next to. Here it is the box, and behind is the spider, so this is behind. Here the spider and the box in front. And finally here it is the spider between two boxes, and it is between. Okay, now I'm going to show more example with this. This is a Pikachu, so I'm going to ask the student what is this, and they already is going to tell me that it's a Pikachu. So where is the Pikachu right now, guys? So they're going to know where is the Pikachu. So it is in front of the teacher, and if I put it here, where is the Pikachu? The Pikachu is on the teacher. Where is the Pikachu? It is under the teacher. Now, where is the teacher? It's next the teacher. Where is the Pikachu? It's behind the teacher. And where is the Pikachu? Sorry. Where is the Pikachu? It is between the table and the teacher. Okay, I already showed how is the sample, that where is the Pikachu. So now I'm going to explain it about activity that we're going to do. So I'm going to explain that they had to play with themselves with the chair. So if I say, please, everyone is going to on the chair. So the kids is going to stay on the chair. And if I say, kids, now you are going to do under the table or under the chair. So every child is going to go to the under the table or under the chair. Yes? And they are going to do like a TPR, that they're going to learn it, that to listen what is the word, and with the action that they had to do it. Yes? And now, finally, I'm going to go to sit down, maybe do a worksheet. If not, I'm going to show the video about it. And then finally to say goodbye, to like evaluate that they already know this. I'm going to do the same exercise, but not with themselves, just with their hands. So that I'm going to say, hey guys, so put your hands on head. So they had to put their hand on the head. Now, or for example, put your hand under the table. That they have to sit down there and that they have to do this movement. Okay, so this is my class, and finally I said this last exercise with the kids, and that's it. I'm going to evaluate with the rubric, with this example, or with this activity. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you like it and you understand what is TPR and this activity about the preposition. Thank you so much. Bye bye.